How to use WhatsApp AI writing help feature. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Now to use WhatsApp AI writing help feature, what you want to do is, now this allows users to rewrite messages for tone that is professional or friendly by tapping a pencil icon in the text bar. So go to WhatsApp first and then head into settings. If you're using iOS, head into U option and then head into chats option. Once you head into chats, you'll find private processing option here. Now if you have updated your to the latest version, you shall find that option. But as you can see here, the option read your messages, choose how you want to receive transcripts here. This is voice message transcripts. However, you want private processing and that you want to make sure that it is enabled. Then you want to proceed to open up any one-on-one or group chat. So once you open up that chat, what you want to do is you'll find the option to typing, right? Then while typing, you'll see that the pencil icon will appear on the screen if you have enabled that feature, often replacing this sticker icon. So instead of the sticker icon, you should find the pencil icon. Now this feature is not yet available in my region. As you can see, I'm updated, so I'll have to wait for that feature. But once you find that option, you'll be able to tap on it and see the alternatives. Options include rephrase, professional, funny, supportive, and proofread. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.